Hello friends, welcome back to CAD Practice. Today we are going to construct a sheet metal assembly in Autodesk Inventor software. In this tutorial, we are going to construct two parts. This will be the front part, the cover. Okay, back to the assembly and double click this. This will be the complete base. So this is a manufacturing part of pump cover. So from here this part will be assembled by the help of welding. So we have made two separate parts and joined them. When we rotate this, so this side will remain open for pump mounting. Okay, so first we are going to construct this base and calculate the flat pattern of this. Okay, so let's get started. Go to new, take a sheet metal part in millimeter and go to create. Now take a 2D sketch, select the XY plane. Here we will not start with the midpoint, so go to line. We are going to make a L bending separately, escape, and we will define with midpoint. Go to line, make here a center line, escape, select this line, make it a construction line. Now go to dimension, define this bend as 50 mm, okay, and define this height as 405 mm, okay. The center distance will be of 280 mm. Go to horizontal constraint, select this point and select the center point, escape. Now go to mirror, select both the lines, go to line and select the center line, apply and done. Okay, now here take the arc command and select 3-point arc, select this point and select this point. Okay, and make this profile. Now finish. So this will be the base profile. Now take the counter flange, as this is an open profile, so counter flange will be active. You can see the flange is inactive. Front view, here this will be outside this profile. Rotate the view, and here the flange dimension will be of 1000 meter mm, and here we are going to take mid plane. Okay, press OK. Now here we'll change the thickness. Go to sheet metal defaults, uncheck this, and here it is by default thickness of 0.5 mm, change it to 3 mm, apply and exit. Okay, so you can see the thickness over here. Now in this part you can see a pattern profile of holes, so we are going to construct them. So select this face, go to create sketch. Here take the circle command and at center make a circle here of diameter 200. Take vertical constraint, select this midpoint and select midpoint of the circle. Go to horizontal constraint. Here we'll select this midpoint and this midpoint of circle. Escape. Now we are going to make multiple circles. Go to circle command once again. Make here a circle of diameter 150 and here diameter of 100 and the last diameter 50. So at the difference of 50 mm we have made all the four circles. Okay, 200, 150, 100 and 50. Okay, now select all the profiles, make them construction geometry. So these are not the main circles. Go to circle command once again and here make one circle at mid of dia 15 and here start from this 50 dia, make dia 15, make one at this dia 15 and one here 15 dia and one at this last dia 15. Escape. Now here take the vertical constraint, select these two, select these two, select this and select with the base. So these all are vertically aligned with each other. Now here, go to circular pattern, select one by one. Select this, go to axis of rotation, select the axis. Here we will take a count of 6. Okay. Now go to circular pattern once again. Select the next circle, go to axis, select this circle, and here we will double this by 12. Press OK. Now go to circular pattern once again. Select this circle, go to axis, select this as axis, and here we will take count of 18. Press OK. Go to circular pattern, select this last, go to axis, select this, and take here a count of 24. So we are taking a count of 6, 12, 18 and 24. This is an increment of 6. Okay. Now here I want this complete profile this side and this side. So go to rectangular pattern, select this complete profile, go to direction 1, select this line. Here take a distance of 330 mm. Okay. And here click on direction 2, select this complete profile again. Okay, this is already selected. Select this line. Here flip the direction and give the distance as 330 mm and press OK. So we have 3 profiles now. Go to 3D model, take extrude, select this complete profile and here take cut. Okay, you can see the red profiles. Here we'll take all. So this will be a through cut on both the faces and press OK. Okay. Okay, I think a circle is being left. And double click this. Okay, during the circle pattern I think the circle is missing, so you can draw this over here, dia 15, and here also dia 15. Finish sketch, and here double extrude, and again we will select the profile. So select this profile. Okay, and here select this profile, and here press OK. Now you can see the complete pattern. Go to the right view. So this will be the pattern profile. Okay, go to home, and here I'll define the appearance. I've taken the cool white. Here take cool white. Okay, if you want to make a flat pattern of this, so just click here, create flat pattern. So flat pattern will be created. Okay, now go to the folded part. So this will be the base. Okay, now save it. I already made this, so go to a new folder of assembly, let's say, enter, and here save it as base. Okay, save. We are going to construct the second part, this front cover. So go to new, take a sheet metal part in millimeter and go to create. Here go to base, we want this inner profile. Okay, so go to inspect, go to measure, and here select this inner edge. So here you can see we have to select 560 mm diameter for this profile, the inner profile. Now exit. So go to part 3, take a 2D sketch and select the XY plane. Here take the circle command, from the center point make a diameter of 560 mm. Okay, zoom out, take the line command and make a center line here. Okay, escape. This is moving. Go to coincident, select the center point and select this line. Okay, now escape. Take the trim command, trim this bottom profile. Now finish sketch. Now here take the face command and press OK. and from here go to sheet metal defaults, and here we will define the thickness as 3 mm and apply. Exit. Now select this face, go to create sketch. Here take the point command, make here 3 points. Okay, go to dimension, define the dimension from this base as 125. Okay, or you can take it 150, and here the center to center distance of 50. Okay, from bottom also this will be at a distance of 50 mm, and this also at distance of 50. Escape. Now here take the vertical constraint, select this point and this point, select this point and this point. So all 3 points are defined. Now go to line, make a center line over here. Escape. Select this line, make it construction. Now go to mirror and select all 3 points. Go to mirror line and select this line. Apply and done. Now finish sketch. Okay. Now here take the punch tool, and here take the lower tool. Open. Go to geometry, size, and here the length will be of 1 150, and the height will be of 25. Okay, now finish. Okay, as it's going outside, go to face. Okay, this sketch 2, take it as 125. Okay, and press OK. Now this is perfect. Go to home, and here we'll again select the cool white, select the cool white color and save it. Save it as front plate. Save it. Okay, now we are going to assemble both the profiles. Now go to new, take a standard assembly in millimeter and create. Now go to place, go to assembly and select this base, open and place it over here. Escape. Now rotate this profile. Okay, and click here. Now go to view, change this view to shaded with edges, and here change the slide to gray room. Okay, now as this is moving, so open the base folder, origin. So these are the origins of the base. Now this is the origin of assembly. Go to assemble, go to constraint, and here select the YZ plane, this YZ plane, apply, exit and exit. Here click on flush, apply, XY and XY. Click on mate and apply, exit. Now you can see this is not moving anyway. Now go to place and select the front plate, open and place it over here. Now escape, go to constraint, and here select this face and select this face. Okay, here click on flush and apply. Now here select this axis. For axis selection, select this axis, this face and this face. Okay, it is not getting selected. Go to constraint again, select this axis and here select this axis. Okay, press apply, exit. Now here you can see this is assembled properly, but there is a problem. When I move this, so it will rotate. Okay, so go to constraint and here rotate the profile, select this inner edge and here select this inner edge. Okay, so it will be aligned properly. Now place it like this and press OK. So when I drag this now, this will not move. Okay, click here. So this is complete now. From this side this will remain open, okay, for the mounting of pump. So this was a basic tutorial to how to construct a sheet metal part in Autodesk Inventor software. I hope you like the video. If you do that, please do hit like and subscribe the channel for more such videos. Thank you.